Hello, everyone. My name is Jonas, and I am an English tutor here on Cambly. So, today we will be learning the difference between anyway and anyway. Anyway, let's begin. First, anyway. One word. Anyway. Anyway is an adverb that is used to indicate that something is happening or being done despite other factors. It can also be used to change the subject or move on to a new topic. I will give you 4 example sentences for the correct use of anyway. Number 1. I know it's late, but I'm going to finish the project anyway. Number 2. Anyway, let's move on to the next topic. Number 3. I can't afford it, but I'll buy it anyway. Number 4. They have already been, but I think I'm going to ask anyway. Now, for our next word, which is really 2 words, anyway. So, anyway is used to refer to a method or manner in which something is being done. It can be used to express the ideas that there are multiple options or possibilities for accomplishing a task or goal. I will give you 4 example sentences on anyway. Number 1. Do you know any way to fix this computer? Number 2. Is there any way you can help me with my homework? Number 3. I can't think of any way to cook this food. Number 4. Do you have any way to contact your parents in case of an emergency? Hopefully, with both of these examples and definitions, you are able to understand the difference between anyway and anyway a little better. So, I will give you some example sentences with blanks to see if you know how to correctly use anyway and anyway in a sentence. I want you to write your answers in the comments below. And hopefully your other English learners will help you understand. So, number 1. I can't afford it, but I'll buy it. Number 2. Is there you can help me with my project? Number 3. I think they have seen this movie before, but I will invite them. And number 4. Do you have to improve your English skills. So, anyway, that's all for today. But if you are wondering if there's any way you could improve your English and understand this further, you should join Cambly. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere from your phone or computer. Schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in class. Goodbye.